On this video today, I'm going to show you a free traffic source that you can use to make up to $1,000 per week as a complete beginner without any skills and without investing any money. This method is available worldwide, and the best part is that you don't need to pay for traffic. Everything is completely free. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. Press the notification bell for updates of my next video. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to create a ClickBank account. So once you create your account and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on Marketplace. Once you click on the Marketplace, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see, these are categories of digital products that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see a lot of them. If you want to see all of them, you can just click right here and you can see a list of categories that you can select to find digital products to promote. As you can see, a whole lot of them. In this video, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting a product under e-business and e-marketing category, but you can select any of the categories that you want. The traffic source that I'm about to show you, you are allowed to promote any product that you want, so make sure you select the category that you want. So in this case, we are using e-business and e-marketing category, so just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see these are products that you can promote. You can see this product right here, live chat jobs. You can see the commission rate is $56.03 per every sale that you get. So there are many others that you can promote under this category. When you scroll down, you can see this one right here, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. The commission rate is $19.61, and you can see the gravity is 282.88. The gravity score is very good, so when you promote it, the likelihood of you getting a sale is very high. There are many others, so let me just scroll down for you to see. You can see many other products that you can promote under the e-business and e-marketing category. As you can see, a whole lot of them. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting this product right here, paid online writing jobs. Get paid to do simple writing jobs online. So this is a writing job that we are going to promote. So when you get people to sign up to become writers, you are going to be earning $106.92 as a commission. So that is the commission rate that you are going to be earning. And you can see right here they have recurring rebel. You're going to be earning $35.88. So when you get a sale, you can earn the commission rate right here. And when your referrals buy an upsell product, you are going to be earning $35.88. So that is the recurring rebels. Once you have found the product, the next step is that we have to get more familiar about the product so that we can begin promoting it. To get more information about the product, you have to click right here, affiliate page, so that you can find out if the product owner has resources for you. Once you click on the affiliate page, you are going to see a page like this. As I scroll down, you can see these are resources that you can use to promote the product. You can see the product owner has given us a lot of different resources that you can use to promote the product. You can see they have email swipes, they have videos, banners, short ads, SMS ads, PPC ads, demographics, they have Pinterest pins, they have reports, images. So whatever resource that you want to use, you can just click on it so that you can use it to promote the product. For example, let me just click on email swipes. Once you click on the email swipes, you can see they have a lot of different emails that you can use to. So if you have email lists, you can just copy one of the emails and then send to your list so that you can get people to buy the product. So now once we get to know more about the product, the next step is that we have to get our affiliate link so that we can drive traffic to the product for us to get a sale. So just click right here, promote, so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on promote, you are going to see your nickname right here. You can enter a tracking ID so that you can track where you are getting sales. Assuming you are using different traffic sources, you have to enter a tracking ID so that you get to know which traffic source is getting you a lot of sales. But if you are using one traffic source, there's no need for you to enter a tracking ID because you know your traffic source, so there is no need for you to track it. Once you know that, the next step is that you have to click right here, create hop link, so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on create hop link, you can see this is your affiliate link. So anytime you get people to buy the product through this particular link, you are going to be earning $106.92. So now the next step is that we have to find a traffic source so that we can get people to click on this link and then purchase the product for us to make money. The next step is that you are going to come on this website, trafficadbar.com. On this website, you are allowed to promote your affiliate links for free. As you can see right here, we will deliver up to 1,022 visitors to your website every 3 days for free. So on this website you can promote your website, you can promote your affiliate link for free without paying for anything. So they are going to deliver free visitors to your website or affiliate link. And the best part is that this website is getting a lot of traffic, and most of the visitors are from tier 1 countries. As you can see on SimilarWeb traffic ad bar, you can see it right here. Let me scroll down for you to see. You can see the website gets more than 500,000 visits every month. As you can see it right here. When you scroll down, you can see most of the visitors are from the United States. You can see Thailand, you can see United Kingdom, India, and then when you scroll down you can see Australia. You can see it right here. So this is a very good traffic source that you can use to promote your affiliate link for free without paying for anything. So now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, sign up, so that you can sign up for a free account. The website is available wherever you are in the world, so make sure you create an account and then promote your affiliate link. I have an account, so I'm going to log in so that I will show you step by step on how to promote your affiliate link on this website. Once you create an account and log in, you are going to see something like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, advertising, so that you can advertise your link. Once you click on advertising, you can see add a website or affiliate link. In this case we have our affiliate link, so we are going to paste it right here. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on ClickBank. Once you come back on ClickBank, you are going to click right here, copy. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, add a website. As you can see, that has been done. So the next step is that you are going to give a title to your ad. You have to give it a catchy title so that you can get people to click through and then purchase the product that you are promoting. You can see write a headline. So in case you don't know what to write, you can go back on the affiliate page of the product so that you can get some title ideas. For example, when you come back, you can use the email swipe. So let's click on the email swipe. As you can see, this is a title for you, so you can just highlight and copy it. If you don't want this one, you have to go to the second email and then click on it. You can see this is a subject line. You can use it as your title, so just highlight and then copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. So you can just write something like this, or you can change it. You can type something like get paid to write. You can type something like this, get paid to write. So let's change it well. As you can see, get paid to write, something like this. Let me put it well, something like this. Once you have your title, the next step is that you are going to add another headline right here. So what you have to do is that you have to come back and then copy this particular title right here. You can see this is the second title. Just highlight and copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. If you want, you can add another title, but we don't want to do that, so just leave it. Once you paste your titles, you can see this is the preview of your ad. If you want, you can add a second ad line right here. In this case, I don't want to do so, so you can just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see what is the language of your ad and web page. In this case, it is English, so you have to select English right here. So let's search for English. As you can see, English right here, so click on it. Once you select the language, you have to scroll down so that you can enter the rest of the details. So just scroll down. You can see countries. You have to select a country where you are targeting. In this case, we want to target the United States, so let's target United States. As you can see, United States, you have to select that. The next country that we are going to target is Australia, so let's target Australia. You can see it right here, so just add that. You can select as many countries that you want. In this case, I'm selecting only 2. Once you select the countries, the next step is that you are going to enter the start date right here. You can see add date from and to. So now what you have to do is that you have to select the day that you want your ad to be seen. So in this case, I want to select 2nd May. The end date, I want to select the end of the month, so let's test it for the whole month so that we can see how the ad is performing before we continue. So that is it. So as you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, we are going to scroll down and then you can see right here add days and time. If you want your ad to run on specific days, you can do that. If you want the ad to run throughout the week, you can also select that. In this case, I'm not going to select any of the days because I want the ad to run throughout the week. So in my case, I'm not going to enter anything right here. If you want, you can enter the days, but in my case, I'm not going to do that. Once you have entered everything that is required, the next step is that you are going to click right here, save, so that your ad can start running on this website. As you can see, this is the ad, so people are going to begin clicking on it and then visit the product landing page. Those who like the product, they are going to buy it for you to make money. So make sure you visit the website, create an account so that you can use it to run your ads for free without paying for anything. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.